I'm gonna throw my money in the honey pot. It doesn't matter if it's the last dollar that I got. We're gonna flip these pallets and make these dollars. Turn a nickel into 15 cents.
Make that money.
Turn a nickel into 15 cents.
Make that money.
Well, here we go with our next pallet on Pallet Roulette. And this one looks like it is loaded with boxes of solid stuff. There's no littles in this.
This looks like I can tell you everything on the pallet from here without even opening it. Should we do that?
Let's try.
Okay. We got a plastic storage box.
Let's open it.
Okay. This is a pretty good pallet, I can already tell you.
Thanks for shipping in there, Johnny.
Yep. Here to help. You talk about my help. I remember on Survivor, we on James's favorites, we lost the first challenge to the band, and so we had to evaluate what it was that we brought to the table. So like, James was like, "I'm strong." It's like, "I remember when you bring that." I was like, "I'm a good swimmer." It's like, "You're a good swimmer." Mine's like, "I'm good at puzzles." I'm like, "Well, everyone's pretty good at puzzles." So she's like, "Well, what do you do?" I'm like, "Ratings, right?" Some of my fans. Ooh, this is nice. You know what? I would like to do the rest of the episode. Right? If this is
Here's what you sit right there. Yeah. The talent. What you got?
a fan.
What do you have?
Hey, I have. Or what you didn't think I had more than one fan?
What do you have? This is a mirror, a lighted mirror, vanity mirror.
But I don't think they can.
It's a medicine cabinet.
But they can't see me.
This is probably a good $75.
They can't.
40 or 50
I'm
bucks.
behind the stuff though. Dude.
I don't know how expensive this is.
$300.
This box is huge.
$300, no problem. This is a 12-inch miter saw.
This actually might retail at like $5.99.
Yes.
Doesn't even look like it's been used maybe 2 or 3 times. Hold on, come over with the camera.
Yeah. The light's on.
You have a light?
Cutting light, yeah.
Brand.
Money.
Yeah, this is a brand new. That's $500 new. Maybe $5.99.
Yeah.
12 install. Wow, 3-year warranty. You plugged in?
Yeah. We're still plugged in. And might need a second. Or it might just like.
Maybe I'm not. It's the heater and air conditioner.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What?
It's heat and air. So it's turning the temperature up.
Oh man, this is for like a nice trailer.
Well, we're too hot right here for the heat to come on. So let's put it on cool.
Wow.
It works. It's like $400 or $500 new.
Yeah.
Probably at least $375 new.
I think my one day father and mother-in-law's cabin that I go and sweat bullets in the summer, that I'm about to invest in my summer future.
That's a nice deal. Like, usually it's an air conditioner or a heater.
Yeah.
That is right. So
That's great.
that's a good deal.
Okay.
Glad it works. All it was, you plug it over there?
The reset right here on the plug. I guarantee that's why they took it back.
Here is a nice humidifier.
Whoa, humidifier. Does this have an automatic cutoff? It has a timer on it.
It's super huge. I'm sure it's super nice.
I have an 11-year-old daughter, Piper, who you might have seen on another episode. And she can't remember to turn off her humidifier. So I come home sometimes after work, and I hear this because there's no water in there, and I'm pretty sure it can burst into flames and burn down my house.
Well, I don't need how to play with one that can.
Yes.
But I also have a child.
Yes.
Okay, a humidifier in his room.
Yes.
And I've also run into the issue where I've gone into his room and there's been no water in it. And it's been going. And I'm like, dude, like, did you not hear
Yeah.
the humidifier burning up and ready to burn down the house?
What's up with that?
I know.
And
He's like 7 months old. All of that is a completely made up story. It's not.
I feel like we just saved lives.
We probably did.
Huh? We're heroes.
Now you're the hero. We got 2 more things. One is this nice little accent table that is super cute. And we go in a rustic, like someone in a shabby chic type apartment. Another shabby chic device, which is a light fixture that has like the kind of
Got the Edison bulbs.
yeah. So
With
this
the
would
idea
go
of
good
Charles.
together.
They would like it together. They would probably return together. I think this is one of our best pallets ever.
I think it's 250. 250.
Quick flip.
Quick flip pallet, yeah.
Yeah.
So it's probably about an 8 on that.
I love it.
No,
That's it.
see something
Ladies and
next
gentlemen,
time
the end.
on pallet.
Gotcha. One more dance.